Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create alerts in Grafana. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up the dashboard you want to do this in, and now just locate the panel you want to create alerts for. So let's say this one right here, click on these three dots, and then we can click on edit. Now here you'll see an option that says alert, click on it, and if there's no rules linked to this panel, you can click on new alert rule and you'll be redirected right here. You can enter your alert rule name, and here you can basically start to define the conditions for this alert. Okay, you can go ahead and choose the scenario as well, and you can go ahead and set alert conditions right here by choosing on options. You can do a time range as well. So let's say from now to 6 hours from now, that'll be the time range. The max data points you can go ahead and assign right here per series. And you can set intervals. Let's say every 1 second it will check. And let's come down here. So we have things like evaluation behavior. This one you have to set this where you will have to choose how often this rule is being checked. Okay. And you just set the pending period where it is how long the condition must be met before the alert fires. And before you can go ahead and submit this, you need to select the contact point, okay? So if you had set up your email for alert, you just choose your email right here. And then once you're done with everything, these are optional. You can come here and just save it, okay? Really that easy. And that is how to create alerts in Grafana.